Hey guys, Dr. Ray Marque here at Back Pain Relief Center in Vineland, here with a good friend of mine, Bo, and Bo's all messed up, and he uses chiropractic care to help him manage his pain. Multiple herniations, low back, mid back, neck, and we do our best to keep him functioning and feeling better. I can't be as aggressive with some of the moves that I do on other people because it'll flare him up, but we've kind of come down with a system that works well for him. Right now I'm just using an instrument to loosen up each joint, breaks up some scar tissue, allows for better mobility of the spine. Gotta loosen up the muscles a little bit, bring some blood to the surface, makes the adjustment go a little easier. Come on up some inches. So I've been adjusting Bo now for what, I don't know, 7, 8 years?
Yeah, I would say.
So I've come down with the way that works well for him. It may not be the way I would do it with you, but with him it works well. So we're going to adjust his neck first. And we kind of just do that like this. Good. Other side. Can you see that, Joy?
Mm-hmm.
You hear that? That's really good.
Now we're going to adjust his low back and mid back. Good. And that's it. If you have any questions, message me or give me a call. Have a great day.
That's right.